How do we count words in single cell? So for example, in this sentence, there are 11 words. So let's see how we can use Excel function to count this. So I start with the substitute function, substitute, and the first argument is text. Let's select the entire sentence, comma, and then double quote, space, double quote. Since I want to remove the space in between, I'm using this double quote space, comma, again double quote, close parenthesis, press enter. This will remove all the space. Now let me take the length of this length function and close bracket, press enter. Now again I start with length function. I select the text, close parenthesis, minus, and at end I use +1, press enter, you get the count. So let's exchange this formula. Here is the result. Thank you.